Scalper. A person who resells tickets at a higher price. Example: the scalper outside the concert was selling tickets for double their original price. Calamity. A disastrous event causing great damage or distress. Example: the earthquake was a calamity that left thousands of people homeless. Flee. To run away from danger or a threat. Example: the villagers had to flee when they saw the fire spreading quickly. Detest. To dislike intensely. Example: I detest waking up early on weekends. Crook. A person who is dishonest or a criminal. Example: the crook was caught trying to steal money from the bank. Envision. To imagine or visualize something in your mind. Example: she could envision a future where she was a successful artist. Ignite. To set something on fire or cause something to start. Example: the match ignited the paper, and soon the whole fire was blazing. Contemplate. To think deeply about something. Example: he spent hours contemplating whether to accept the new job offer. Vow. A serious promise or commitment. Example: they made a vow to stay friends no matter what happened. Occur. To happen or take place. Example: the accident occurred late at night when there were fewer cars on the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.